Hi, so we got this set of 5 pliers. I already gave away 2. No, 1. I think it was set of 5 or set of 6. Set of 5, yeah. Okay, so these are the pliers called Plato. Plato says here, but I think the brand I bought is KAHIOE. So anyways, I have the in Amazon the I'm posting in the right place because are the only ones I have bought, so I'm going to review and just show you. I use that in my work to remove this kind of tie wraps because I'm working with computers, and the person before me, he was using this kind of tie wraps. I rather the Velcro, so right now I'm replacing every now and then when I have to. So as you can see, gets the job done very easily, very quickly. No problem at all, other than me, the user. So for this kind of small job or removing small cables, is going to get the job done very easily, and it's an excellent value for the price. Highly recommended.